Hi, this is Patrick from JDM Gems. Today we're going to be working on this 1997 Honda Street. We're going to be replacing the ignition coil. The coil is the direct replacement off an 84 through 87 Honda Civic. It's the exact same part. As a bonus, we're also going to be trying these spark plug wires that are off a 95 to 97 V6 Accord. Supposedly 3 of them are a direct fit to the Honda Acty. We're going to see if that works, and if that does, it's a huge money saver as opposed to getting the OEM ones from Japan. So let's get started. The tools that we're going to need for the job are a 3/8 ratchet with a 10 mil, some extensions, and a 1/4 inch ratchet with a short 10. So the coil is right above the exhaust manifold, planted right underneath the bed. First we're going to undo this spark plug wire. Next we're going to undo these 2 clips right here and right here. There's one. And 2. Alright. Next we're going to be removing the 2 10mm bolts holding it in. Next one, the hard one. So this is what we took out, and this is what we're putting in. You can see it's the exact same part, exact same dimensions, everything. So when we're putting the coil like this, I'm going to start with the long bolt first. We're going to put the bolt through the hole first, just like that. The resistor that's connected up there is going to be sandwiched between the spacer, and then we're going to be mounting this to the body like that. Here's a better representation. You can see the resistor, spacer, and the bolt, and we're just going to mount it into the hole. Alright, so we're just going to leave that finger tight for now, and then we're going to try to line it up with the second hole right here, and then screw it into place. Next, we're going to plug in these 2 plugs on the coil. Alright. So last, we're just going to plug this coil back in firmly. And then there is a little bracket of sorts that just slips onto the wire. And once you get that slipped on, you're done. Alright, just like that. And we're done. So now that we got the coil in, we're going to try to see if the spark plug wires fit. So we're going to just take them out, kind of lay them out, and see how they compare to these Accord spark plug wires. Alright, let's begin. Alright, so you can clearly tell it's not going to be these long 3. So we're just going to toss those 3 out of the way. And then we have 1, 2, 3. This is about the shortest one. You can line it up, it's a little bit long compared to this one. But if you look at this is the more important part. You can see that is about the exact same. It's about the exact same length. And the top almost looks exactly the same. And then if we match up this one, that is about the same as well. However, this is at a 90-degree bend, while this is straight. Well, this should work. We'll see. These wires are a tad long, as you can see. Alright. I'm just gonna hook up this on the coil. I'm not gonna show that up here, and then we'll try to see if it starts. That's it. So now that we're done with the job, we're going to want to make sure the Honda Street starts, since we're using spark plug wires from a Honda Accord. Now that we've finished and everything works, I just want to go ahead and give you the part numbers just in case you want to buy these for yourself. This is an NGK product, stock number 48809. Again, this is ignition coil off an 84 through 87 Honda Civic. So for the spark plug wires, this is Beck Arnley 1756103. However, these are a 95 to 97 Honda Accord V6 spark plug wire set. Cost me about $15 on Rock Auto, which is a big saving compared to the $50 plus that you would have to spend getting from Japan. So I think it is a beneficial part to buy if you want to save money for brand new spark plug wires for your Acty or Street. We hope this video helped, and if it did, like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next repair. Like a brand new baby.
1.
Honda Street.